Thank you, Jeff. Staying warm during these freezing temperatures can actually be dangerous, as fireplaces and space heaters could expose your family to what they call the silent killer, carbon monoxide. Just this week, a New Jersey teenager died and dozens of people got sick after being exposed to the poisonous gas. 10 News reporter Colter Anstead is working to keep your family safe. He's live in our Danville bureaus tonight. So Colter, the fire marshal says there's one simple thing you can do.
That's right, John, and it's using one of these, a carbon monoxide. They don't cost very much, but they could save your life.
Danville Fire Marshal Shelby Irving reminds people to always have carbon monoxide detectors in their homes, especially this time of year.
Right now, a lot of people are starting to use extra components to heat their homes. With the power outages going on, I know people are starting to use the little kerosene heaters and things like that.
Anything in your home that produces a flame also produces carbon monoxide.
Carbon monoxide detectors are really pretty affordable. This one here cost me 20 bucks today at Walmart. When it comes to installing a carbon monoxide detector in your home, you want to make sure it's installed low to the ground because that's where the carbon monoxide is going to be. You can either buy one that plugs directly into the wall or you can buy one that runs off of batteries. If you buy one that plugs directly into the wall, it's probably a good idea to make sure it also has a battery backup just in case the power goes out. If the alarm goes off, a dangerous amount of carbon monoxide has been detected. Get out and call 911.
Some people I spoke to today, like Amber Dodds, say they do not have carbon monoxide detectors.
Now it will make me worry about it that you brought it up.
Others, like Nancy Schomer, do.
I have mine on the first level of my house, so many feet away from my fireplace. That's why I have one.
Irving recommends placing a detector in every room someone sleeps in.
The symptoms of carbon monoxide poisoning are very similar to symptoms of the flu. If you think you are suffering from carbon monoxide poisoning, get to the emergency room at your local hospital as quickly as possible. Live in Danville, Colter Anstead, 10 News, working for you.